Welcome to Future Font Flash. Welcome aboard to the exciting world of Future Font Flash. Today, let's delve into the buzz surrounding Samsung's soon-to-be revealed wonders, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. These foldable marvels are set to dazzle us at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event. Let's dive in and see what's coming our way. Galaxy Z Fold 6. Pricing leaks unveiled. Get ready for a sneak peek at the pricing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the US. Rumors suggest it may start at $1,899.99 for the 256GB variant, soaring to $2,259.99 for the top-tier 1TB version. This hints at a potential price bump compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Colorful choices and exciting features await. Prepare to be dazzled by the Galaxy Z Fold 6's color options in navy, pink, and silver shadow, weighing a sleek 239 grams. Samsung might also sweeten the deal with free storage upgrades for early birds and discounted accessory bundles. Speculations on Indian pricing. For our Indian fans, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could be priced between Rs. 169,999 to Rs. 174,999 for the base model, compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5's launch price of Rs. 154,999 for the 256GB variant. Unveiling the future. Key specifications revealed. Mark your calendars for July 10, as Samsung is rumored to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 at Galaxy Unpacked in Paris. These cutting-edge devices are expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, run on Android 14 with One UI 6, and showcase Galaxy AI similar to the Galaxy S24 series. Outro, stay tuned for the future of mobile tech. The excitement is palpable for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, offering us a peek into the future of mobile technology. Keep an eye out for more updates and insights right here on Future Font Flash.